Hello, all. Very good evening. This is Karthik from Raj Cloud Technologies. So I welcome you all to today's introduction class for SAP S4 HANA and FICO training. Hope everyone can see my screen and you can hear me properly, correct? I'm just like double checking with you people. So can I get any confirmations in the chat, please? Yeah, thanks for the confirmation. Before starting the meeting, I just like want to show our YouTube channel as well. So this is our YouTube channel, Raj Informatica Real-Time Hands-on Job-Based Training. This is our official YouTube channel. So we have almost 36K subscribers and we have already uploaded 447 plus videos are already uploaded here. You can just like go through our YouTube channel. You can find out many videos on Snowflake, Azure, SAP S4 HANA and FICO and Informatica Cloud. Okay, so generative AI, AWS and DevOps, AWS data engineering, Power BI, and many other things. Okay, on many other clouds also, like we are offering the trainings here. You can just like go through our YouTube channel once so that you'll understand the complete content, like whatever we have uploaded here. So meanwhile, you just like visit our YouTube channel once and see the videos. If you like the content, like the video, comment on them and subscribe for more videos. If you want to get more videos recommendations, please subscribe to our channel. I have just like dropped the link of our YouTube channel. Using this link, you can just like subscribe to our channel so that you'll get all the updates here. Got it? You'll get all the updates here. And we have official website as well. So this is our website, razinformatica.com. So initially it was we were offering only Informatica classes. So our website name is razinformatica.com. But now we are offering almost all the cloud technologies. So we renamed our institute from Raj Informatica to Raj Cloud Technologies. Okay, we renamed our institution from Raj Informatica to Raj Cloud Technologies. You can check out in the left top corner also here. So Raj Informatica is now Raj Cloud Technologies. Okay, yeah. So this is our home page. If you just scroll down our home page, you will be able to see all our trainings, like whatever the trainings that we are offering here, all the trainings you can see here. Okay, we can see the trainings on generative AI, React JS, AWS data engineering, Azure data engineering. Okay, Snowflake is a combination of DBT and ADF, Informatica Power Center, Informatica Cloud ISS IDMC, artificial intelligence with machine learning, cyber security, Microsoft Power BI, GCP professional certification training, SAP S4 HANA and FICO training, Python full stack development, Python for AI and ChatGPT, Salesforce and AWS and DevOps. These are the trainings that we are offering here. Okay, so please don't animate my screen. Yes. Okay, so yeah, these are the trainings that we are offering right now. If you just scroll up, there is a section called upcoming free live session. Okay, you can see here today at 7 p.m. like we have SAP S4 HANA and FICO training, and at 9 p.m. we have AWS data engineering, and tomorrow at 8 p.m. we have Informatica Cloud ISS IDMC training. Whatever the free live classes that we are offering, all these free live classes are scheduled here in this page. Got it? Yes. So if you want to like join any of these classes, you can click on join now and you can fill the details. You will be into that particular in that particular meeting details, like you'll get it to your mail ID. Okay. Apart from these things, we also have many other things in our website, like interview questions, materials, and internship programs. So all these things also available here. Just visit our website once and you can understand and you can access all these things for free of cost. Okay, I'm just sharing the website link also in the chat. I'm sharing this website link also in the chat. You can access using this link. Just go to the courses section. And you can see SAP trainings here. Click on SAP trainings. This is the page where you can get the complete information about SAP S4 HANA and FICO training. Okay, this is the place where you can get the complete information about the program. Okay, so these are the technologies we thought. This is the course unique information. Okay, this is the course unique features and all. And if you just scroll down, you can see the complete content as well. Whatever the content that we are offering here in this training, you can check out each and every topic. Okay, these are the things that we'll be covering here. And after completion of the training, what you will be getting? These things also we mentioned here. And about your trainer as well, Deepti Garu. Okay, so about your trainer also you can see the complete information here. Got it? This is how like we have just given the complete information about this program. So I'm just sharing this page link with you. You can just check this complete information using this link. Okay, I have just shared it with you. Okay, just go through once. One second, please. You can see my screen again, right? Yes. Okay, so I'll just give the brief about this program. So whatever the training that we are doing right now. Okay, so this is SAP S4 HANA and FICO training. This course duration is 2 months. This course duration is 2 months. 60 plus hours of content will be delivered to you. And the class timings are morning 7 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. IST. Okay, morning 7 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. IST. So this course fee is 27,000 rupees. If you can stay till end of the program, so I'm going to give you some best discount to you so that like you can enroll the program today. Okay, and in this training we are going to cover one real-time project, and each and every session we are going to provide you for lifetime access. Okay, every session we are going to record and we are going to share it with you so that you can access these classes for lifetime. Batch is started today. Batch started today. Today is the introduction program. Okay. And for further details, I'll be just speaking to you at the end of the program, whatever this course includes, how to do the registration and everything. On all these things, I'll be connecting you at the end again and I'll explain you about these things. Meanwhile, share me your name and WhatsApp number so that we will be adding you to the SAP S4 HANA and FICO real-time project explanation group. Okay, so where you can get the information about the job openings, about the real-time scenarios, how the interview questions are asking right now. So which company like is providing you more opportunities. All this information you can get in this WhatsApp group, and also the latest updates from Raj Cloud Technology also you can see here in this group. To get this group link, please share your name and WhatsApp number so that we will be sharing you the WhatsApp group link before ending the session. Please keep sharing your name and WhatsApp number so that like we can start the technical content. I'll hand over the session to this our trainer Deepti Garu. From there she will take over. So please keep sharing your name and WhatsApp number quickly. We'll start the meeting. I'm just giving you sharp 1 minute break so that you people can share your name and WhatsApp number so that like we can share this group link with you. Okay, if you are from a different country, please share the country code also. If you are from a different country like US, UK, Canada and other countries, please share your country code also. Thank you. As I can see, still people are sharing the contacts. Okay, I'm just like adding you 1 more minute. I'm just adding you 1 more minute. Please complete it. Yeah. Thanks for sharing your contacts. Still, the chat is open to you, everyone. If you haven't posted your name and WhatsApp number, you can keep posting. Okay. I'm just like giving this. I'm just handovering the session to our trainer Deepti Garu, and I'm enabling the unmute access also for everyone. If you have any questions, you can unmute yourself and you can ask to the trainer anytime. Okay. Yes. Thank you all. Deepti Garu, over to you, please.
Yeah, thank you, Karthik. Hello, good evening, all. My name is Dipti. I'm a FICO trainer and I'm into this field since more than 10 plus years into trainings. So today we are going to start with the basic overview of what S4 HANA is. Just give me 1 minute. I'm sharing my screen. Okay. So this is the training for SAP S4 HANA FICO. For this, today we have agenda related to introduction. Then we will go with different SAP FICO functionalities. What are the new features that are available in S4 HANA, and then question answers. So, first of all, what is SAP? SAP stands for System, Application and Product in Data Processing. So, the full form is System, Application and Product, and the abbreviation is SAP. So, SAP is basically a German software, and it is the company had started in around 1st April 1972. So we have almost completed now 50 plus years for SAP as a software. It is an ERP system. What is purpose of ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning System, is it gives you the platform, that is all the modules or all the departments that you are working for, they all use the same software. That is what ERP means. And non-ERP is what? Where the system usually different softwares are used by the company. So SAP is considered as one of the fully integrated ERP system because SAP gives you a different module as per the departments that you are going to work for. And the main benefit of ERP system is it gives you the real time end-to-end process can be covered, and there will be no data inconsistency during into the subsystems. So that is the benefit of ERP system. SAP S4 HANA is the latest version of SAP ERP system, and it runs on the HANA platform or HANA database. So it is called as SAP S4 HANA. In SAP, we have different modules: finance, sales, materials management, which deals with the purchase, finance deals with accounts, sales and distribution deals with sales and marketing. Then we have plant and maintenance, PM, production planning, wherein your actual shop floor activity take place. HCM is human resource, controlling is costing department, project system, quality management, QM. So these are different modules which are available in SAP based on your departments of a company. Now in SAP, specifically related to finance, when we are talking about, it basically starts with the different type of accounts that we are prepared. So that is called as general ledger or GL account. Then we are also going to cover about the leading and non-leading ledger, account receivable related process, which deals with customer, account payable related processes which deals with the vendor or supplier, bank accounting, asset accounting that deals with fixed assets of the company, taxes on sale purchase, withholding tax. These are different finance related topics that we are going to cover. Now, when we talk about the first basic part of a finance, we start it with the basic organizational structure, wherein we need to consider that what will be the company. So, in this project, when we are going to take the training, we are going to consider it as a project-based training. So, this training itself, when we are talking about, we are going to discuss it in such a way that you are actually going to create it as if you have a dummy project and how you will process each and everything for a new company. So from starting of the organizational structure or basic setup of company, starting from company name, which financial year you are using, what are different document types that are getting used for posting, receivable postings, payable, bank related entry, all the parts which are going to cover. With all these together, your organizational structure will be fixed up. So we start with organizational structure. Then the next part comes is general ledger. So general ledger is in any accounting related process. When we talk about ledger is considered as the main ledger. So you represent your financial statement, that is P&L and balance sheet, with this particular general ledger. All the balances from different ledgers are posted, and then based on that we create the financial statement. And also the control account like sundry debtor, sundry creditor, fixed asset account, those are also created as GLs and they are represented with your GL accounting. So when we talk about GL consists of all the process related postings: purchase, payable related, accounts payable related posting, sales, accounts receivable related posting, from fixed asset, your HR, wages, salaries, if any. So all these will be actually consisting of the, what we can say, processes that are coming to finance from the particular different departments. So finally GL is considered as the main ledgers or main postings from which your financial statements are prepared. Then after GL we have account receivable. Now when we talk about the account receivable, the account receivable postings are considered with the customer posting, so they are customer related postings. So whenever we talk about a customer, the entry that you are selling or posting that you are doing for the sales, customer related sales, so you will post invoice and then you will post the incoming payment or receipt that we call it as in AR module. When we talk about account receivable, it has two aspects. One is independent entry that you are posting in FI. So in FI only you will post entry, and that entry will be posted with a non-material entry, that is you are selling something as a scrap which doesn't need any kind of a material update. So such type of a entry you are posting purely into FI module, that is called as material entry. And another part comes is from SD module, wherein your actual finished material will be updated with a stock, it will get decreased, your cost of goods sold will be getting debited when you deliver the material. When you create an invoice, your customer to sales entry will be posted automatically. So this part is getting covered under FI and SD integration. So when we talk about account receivable, we have two parts. One which works independently in only finance. Another one is integration, wherein your SD related setup will be posted automatically to finance and accounting entries will also be generated at the back end. For that, we need to do the configuration. So that part also we are going to learn about SD and FI integration. So based on all these configuration, we have different reports which are available in SAP are customer analysis, aging report, individual customer balances. If you want to check, you can check that. So this is how the integrated account receivable will look like. For example, in accounting, we have credit view for sales order. Then when we post the delivery of a material, we have the particular material stock getting affected, and your cost of goods sold will also get impact of that. Then in billing, we have customer and sales related entry will be posted, and then in accounting we will post the payment entry, that is customer receipt entry will be posted. So this is related to account receivable posting. Now when we talk about the next topic, that is called as accounts payable. Now when we talk about payable, account payable is considered as exactly opposite or mirror image of the account receivable, which means conceptually everything is same for account receivable and payable as a configuration. But when we talk about the receivable, it is the part which is mostly shown for customer as a debit part. When it comes to the payable, we process usually vendors with the credit part. So they are considered as the mirror image if we consider it from accounting point of view. The functionality for AP is exactly opposite to AR. All the records, that is vendors, are handled independently in AP module. So again, when we talk about the customer, we create a BP, business partner, as a customer in S4 HANA. Same way when we talk about the vendor, so we will create vendor or supplier master data as a BP for vendor related posting. In again in accounts payable, we have two types of posting. One posting in which we do not have anything related to material, so non material entries will be updated through AP, which works independently. So we have to post the accounts payable entry in FI module, and they are not updating your stock. So they are independently posted in FI module. And apart from that, when it comes to the stock or material related posting, wherein your raw material is getting updated as a stock, then we will post that entry through FI and integration. So we will configure it in such a way that whenever will post entry, material management, automatically system will update the entries at the backend. So these are called as and FI related integration entry, which are also we are going to cover. Apart from that, in in accounts payable, separate reports which are available are vendor analysis, individual vendor balances. So depending upon your requirement, you can check the report. So this is how integrated accounts payable cycle looks like. In accounting, there will be no effect when we create a purchase order or purchase requisition, because it is just an order we are placing. When we actually receive the material, my GLs will be getting posted for stock of raw material and GRIR account. And when we post invoice, the GRIR account will be debited and vendor account will be credited. And for vendor, then you can pay the amount to vendor through cash or bank, that is check or bank transfer. Okay, so this is how accounts payable looks like. Now, when it comes to the next part of a payment, we have a topic called as bank accounting. In SAP, bank account is called as house bank. House bank means your company's own bank account that you have opened for the purpose of transactions, that is called as house bank. So this allows you to maintain the detailed information related to your account number, name of the account holder, branch wherein your account is getting hold. And with this, you can create the payment through bank as a check payment. Either you can print check automatically, or if you want to make it as a manual check, manual process also possible. If you want to generate it as a bank transfer, that also possible. So all the postings can be done with bank accounting. Of course, it depends some or the other kind of configuration and development, but it is possible for you to create a payment of bank transfer or check related setup in SAP. So it has got, when we talk about that particular configuration, it consists of different payment method, check printing, amount limit if you want to give any, different type of bank statements can be uploaded into SAP. So all this get covered under bank accounting. So this is how in SAP we call it as house bank. And when we talk about house bank, we have a company, house bank, country, banky is your branch. So all this setup need to be created based on the requirement of a client. So we cover it through bank accounting. Now, apart from bank accounting, next is important topic is asset accounting. So asset accounting deals with the fixed assets of your company, wherein you will be actually posting the entry related to fixed asset, that is plant and building, machinery, vehicle, whatever you have, you can actually post those entry by creating different asset value what we can asset class, and those values of asset acquisition, depreciation postings can be updated for each and every asset class separately. Asset class is nothing but your type of different asset, like vehicle, plant and machinery, building. These are different type of asset classes, and based on each and every asset class you will update the GLs at the backend. And whenever you create a master data, system will allow you to post the transaction of acquisition, that is purchase, depreciation, retirement of asset. Each and everything is possible to generate it as a asset related posting. So different reports that are available in asset are asset explorer, asset account balance. Different type of reports are available, and this is how asset management will look like. So in asset, we have asset classes, as I mentioned, building, vehicle, machine, fixture, AUC, asset under construction, fixture and furniture. With that, we assign the GL account at the back end. So whenever each and every assets are created, you need to create them as a master data. With that master data, your asset class will be under that asset class, you create a master data. Then system will update the GL account, and then you can represent it on the asset side of your balance sheet. So this is how you can represent the final balance for all the assets together in your balance sheet under the fixed asset. Okay, so this is what asset accounting means. Now, apart from asset accounting, in finance, we are going to talk about the ledger, leading and non-leading ledger, which allows you to work for the parallel currency, parallel ledger concept in SAP. Then we are also going to cover the tax related part, which is called as taxes on sale purchase, which is a posting for customer and vendor related taxes. And also we are going to cover the TDS, that is withholding tax. So this is a taxation related part that we are going to cover. So these all are the topics which are related to FI related module. Now when we talk about this module, it always comes with FI and CO. So FI is accounting related posting, and when we talk about the CO is costing related data. So all of you might be aware of that costing is called as internal management reporting purpose tool. Why? Because management need usually this one to take the decision. So CO actually is a controlling module which deals with your costing related department. In this, we are going to cover the controlling organizational structure, cost element, cost center, profit center, internal order. So if we consider the controlling related basic setup, then in that we have controlling area, which can be assigned for under one controlling area. We can have multiple company codes that can be assigned, and these are the level for which you can generate the report for plan versus actual comparison. And it is again for the internal reporting. You do not have to publish any report for your controlling outside the company. Now finance is called as external reporting. So what is finance? Finance means accounting. In accounting, you generate the P&L and balance sheet. So P&L balance sheet, they are called as external reporting. Means if you have a public limited company, then you might need to publish your reports externally. But your CO related posting, you will never publish. It is called as internal reporting, based on which management will take the decisions. So this is where we first create the controlling area. This is how your organizational units and structure related to controlling looks like. In first, we are going to create the controlling area setup. That is the basic org structure setup for the finance. After that, we are going to create the cost elements. Now, cost elements are nothing but the mediator from to post the entry from FI to CO. We need one kind of a mediator. So that is called as cost element. So cost element are nothing but the GLs. So those GLs which we want to update with the costing related data, they are created as a cost element in SAP. Then it can be particularly created under the controlling area. Okay, so first you need to create it as a controlling area, and then we can create the cost element under that particular controlling area. Then we have a costing related report that you can get because of this cost element, because it is a mediator to process or to post the amount from FI to CO for the purpose of reporting. Then next comes the costing related part, that is called as cost centers. So cost centers is the organizational unit which usually reflects the management with the overhead related structure. So what is overhead? Overhead is, in short, nothing but the expenses that you call it is in finance. Those are called as overheads from costing point of view. So if we talk about the costing related setup, then cost centers usually it can be created as, like, for example, if you have department or any location by which you want to create the overhead management reporting. So we first need to create the cost center master data. Then you have to use that cost center for the cost element posting. So you will post entry in FI itself. At a time when you're saving the FI document, your FI entry gets generated, and as well as CO entry gets generated. So CO cost element need different parameters To post the data from FI to CO for the purpose of reporting, it need different type of parameter. So cost element is a mediator, and the additional CO object, controlling object, which you need to post or report for, they are considered as cost center, profit center, internal order, and so on. So cost centers are overhead management reporting. Then next comes as the profit center accounting. So this is mainly dealing with your revenue related posting. So the purpose of profit center is to generate the profit center related reporting, which gives you the profitability of the subunit that are attached with your controlling area. So it is specifically used for the purpose of revenue posting. Okay, the way in which we are talking about the cost center for overhead management, profit center deals with the revenue related postings. Then next comes the internal order. Internal order is again dealing with the particular overhead management. So overhead is nothing but expenses management. So already we have cost centers which are controlling overhead. Then why we need internal order separately is internal order is created for a specific task or job or project which are going to occur, and then after completion of them you can close that order. Cost center you can never close, but order you can close and transfer the data of that order to some other CO object. So whenever it is a next order, you can create the new order, and then you can start using it for the purpose of tracking. So for example, my company has organized exhibition for 3 days. So how for those 3 days, what are expenses that are going to incur can be captured with this internal order. And once your particular exhibition gets completed, then you can transfer that cost from um, internal order to some other cost center or other CO unit, and then it can get settled, that is closed. So that is what the difference between cost center and internal order is. So these are the topics from CO module that we are going to cover. Now after that, what are the new features which are available in S4 HANA? In S4 HANA, we get the real-time analytics as the database itself is from SAP. Earlier in ECC, that is the old version of SAP, we used to have Oracle as a database and front end was SAP. So there was no, there were limitation for SAP to update the data and it has dependency. But now as the database itself belongs to SAP, the performance and real-time analytics for decision making has become faster and quick. Then faster processing. The in-memory database technology allows significantly faster data processing. So in-memory databases, it allows you to store the data in columnar form so that you can track the data quickly and it generate the report fast. Another thing, the data at a time. If I have 4 different columns in earlier system, one by one information used to go in a database. Now all 4 columns can go into the database at a time. So it gives you the faster processing of a database. Modern user interface called as Fiori. So in ECC, we do not have such type of a functionality which can be generated as apps. Nowadays, we are using application, right? Apps, we are very much aware of apps kind of a thing wherein you can go and do some kind of a reporting and processing of a transaction. Same way, SAP allows us to use SAP Fiori interface, which provides the user friendly experience from end user point of view. From end user point of view, it has different transaction reports which are available with Fiori, and it can be opened as a web page, web link. You can access it through mobile as well. So that is a functionality of user interface given by SAP. Then we have universal journal table, which is called as SEDOCA. So SEDOCA is the table which stores each and every information related to finance. So now the reporting has become faster and easy. When you have to develop some Z report, which is not a standard, it becomes now faster. Earlier we used to have different table. So to connect 2 tables with each other by logic of a program, system used to take time. But now as all the information related to finance is majorly available in single table, so the performance of report has also become faster. And best practices also are available in SAP S4 HANA. So it offers ready to use or pre-configured solution for the faster and easier implementation. So you can refer the standard processes which are given to you by SAP as a standard company code. And if you want, you can copy them, and the basic scenarios which are usually applicable for all the companies, they are being provided with a best practices solutions in SAP S4 HANA. So you can ready to plug in is what? You can start using it immediately. Same way, if you are going to use the standard functionality, you can actually use those particular best practices and it help you to complete the project faster. So these are the new features which are available in S4 HANA. Okay, so this is what overview of FI, and these are the curriculum and the way in which project we are going to conduct. So if you have any questions now, you can unmute yourself and ask me. Anyone? Do we have any question in chat? No. Okay. Meanwhile, you can ask the questions and you can also keep posting your numbers so we can add you in a group. Post your WhatsApp number on chat. Yes, tell me.
In SAP, we are using dummy education version or the original SAP software.
Sorry, dummy?
Yeah, dummy education software. Well, we are
No, no.
studying.
No. SAP itself provide you with a standard software which is same as the real one. I mean, we have this which is called as IDAS as a practice system, but the setup is same as the original one.
Ma'am, can we access the Google Maps AI in the given which we will
No.
be given? No, why not?
No, not like that. It need a cloud-based SAP, not directly deals with this SAP S4 HANA. Few part we can in theory, not, but majorly when it comes to the AI, it is cloud which is offered by SAP S4 HANA. So cloud technology allows you to deal with AI.
So how can we have a practical knowledge about that?
For that, the course itself is different. That is cloud technology, SAP S4 HANA cloud.
So
That
we
is
can't here we can't get that course, huh?
No, this code, no. This is SAP S4 HANA on-premise in which we have Fiori, which is given as an application for this. Cloud itself is a very different, what we can say. FI itself, even though it is finance or sales or purchase, modules are same, but that is different technology.
So we have to pursue another course for cloud
Yeah. That is different course, correct.
and Raj Cloud Technology also will be offering that, ma'am.
Still, we have not done that, but we are in process to think about. Yeah.
Okay.
We are starting it one by one. We are launching it one by one. So not directly we have started it immediately, but yes, one
But
by one we are going to start it.
so at least we will be having basic idea how to operate it on and all.
No,
Can you
we
explain this?
cannot give you. I see. Generally, in as a when you are attending the training, we can tell you, but servers itself are different. See, that server itself is from we can say cloud-based technology. So the server, I mean, the setup itself is the server that we need to take the access from original SAP, which is a public cloud. We call it as so that access, and it has very restricted standard configuration that can be done. So it has major data which is available as a configuration and few things you can add up as per your requirement. So that setup itself is altogether different. So we will not be able to show you actually. But if you visit SAP website and if you try, if you have a registered user ID of SAP, then SAP allows you to check the free trials of those versions.
Okay.
So you can try it. I mean, but direct access is not possible through this.
Madam, is that real-time project conducted, madam, after training?
Not after training. Actually, this training when we are doing now, we are actually going to perform the training itself as a real-time project. I mean, when we conduct the training, we actually consider one of the company, and for that company, for example, what are different processes that we can consider, and actually how we have to do that conversion for each and every step. I am going to perform that as a training, and same you have also to follow it in a server so that you can actually practice it. So that
Okay.
project itself is, I mean, that way way of the training itself is like a real-time project, as if you are doing it for each and every step. What you have to consider, what are different options available, what thought process you have to give, how we have to think it from user point of view, what user reporting and transactions are required for each and every topic. So we cover it in that way only.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Yeah.
Am I audible?
Yes. Tell me.
Could you please tell me the difference between the Tally Prime and this SAP?
Tally actually is accounting software, so it gives you more reporting related to accounting. For accounting, it is suitable, but in SAP, you get the same. I mean, we use the same software in all the departments of a company, so this gives you the facility to backtrack the reporting from FI. Let's say I'm checking the FI related entry for the customer. From that, I can go to customer billing document. From that, I can go to delivery document, original customer sales order. Everything you can backtrack through the system itself. But in Tally, you are not being given by other module. Like other departments are using different software, and you are using accounting for Tally as a accounting package or software. So that backtrack facility is not available, which you get it here in ERP system, because all of them are using same software.
Okay, thanks.
Yeah. Any other query? Anyone?
Ma'am, could you please share about the certificate, ma'am, the globally valid certificate?
Yeah, after completion of the training, you can go for the certification. We can help you out for the process of registration and all. And when we go through the training, we will let you know, I mean, how to prepare for that. And first of all, when you talk about the certification, the syllabus is same, right? What we are going to learn. First, you have to learn about that syllabus, practice it, and then you have to prepare for that particular examination.
Ma'am, exam will be conducted after how many days of the course, ma'am?
No, that you need to separately register for the course, for the examination.
That means after completing immediately I can.
No, it depends upon you. I mean, if you want to do it immediately, you can do. If you want to do it after 2 months, 3 months, there is no time limit as such, because that certification need to be conducted on SAP website itself,
And
right?
also, will be there any, I mean, passing percentage and all?
Yeah, it has 80 questions usually with 100 marks you have been given, and 80% with multiple choice questions they are. There is no negative marking, but you may have like they will give you in a bracket, like you have to solve three answers for this correct for this question you have to select three answers, two answers, like that they give you. And for out of 100 course you have to score total marks, you have to get 65 plus marks, then only you get pass in that.
Or else I will be failed and also will be reconducting the exam with the extra money, ma'am.
Yeah.
Am I-
See, if you have taken one attempt, there are two type of registration, but that too again SAP is still changing the process. So if it is one attempt exam you have taken and you failed, then you have to register again. But there is another one which has six attempt. Six attempt means the name is six attempt, but not that you have to give six attempt. But if you fail for one attempt, you can reappear for this. If you do not fail and if you pass it, then you can go ahead with the different subject of certification within 1 year. Six, what you can say, chances are available with you for different certifications. And if you fail, you can reattempt it because you are already taken six now. So then no need to pay extra. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hello, Dipti.
Hello. Yeah. Tell me.
I'm basically from mechanical background. I don't know actually about this credit debit and all. Is
Okay.
it understandable for me? Can I learn this
Yeah,
course?
yeah, yeah. Yes, because when you go through SAP FI, actually, it doesn't need that you have to complete extra I mean, yes, of course, it need accounting knowledge, but we will let you know how to prepare for the basic, for which you have to go through 3-4 topics, which you can prepare. We will tell you how to prepare for that. And for accounting entry, when we talk actually about each and every topic, I cover all the accounting entries. So they will automatically get covered in your course. So once you prepare for the basics, it will be understandable.
Okay, thanks.
Yeah. Yes. Any question?
Guys, 1 second. I'll just like, this is Karthik again. I'll take 1 minute and I'll just like complete these. So whatever the offer I said you, right? I'll just like explain about offer. Just give me 1 minute, please. You can see my screen, right? So as I said, there is some special offer is available today, whoever enrolled today. So for them, I'm just like saying about, so this is our course fee. Okay. So whoever is enrolling today, you are going to get a discount of 2,000 rupees. Okay, you're going to get a discount of 2,000 rupees and your course price will be 25,000 rupees. Okay, your course price will be 25,000 rupees and you can pay in installments as well. No need to worry about that. Okay, so this is our course price. Okay, and whoever is enrolling today, only for today, we are providing this offer. Okay, so whoever wants to enroll like after today, like you will be paying 27,000 rupees only. Got it? You can make the payment of today and you can start your registration. Okay, you can start your registration and the previous batch, the first 10 classes we are also we are going to provide to you so that like you can just like practice these things and you can access and you can practice. Okay, and the thing here is for registrations, you can contact us on these two numbers, that is 8105296858 and 6361638108. These two are the our calling and WhatsApp numbers. Okay, I'm just like sharing you in the chat. You can call or you can WhatsApp us on these numbers and you can complete your registration part as well. Got it? If you want to go with the payment, okay, so we accept all the payment modes. We accept UPI, bank transfer, okay, so net banking, credit card, debit card, like PayPal, okay, Remitly, all the international transfers also we accept, so no need to worry about that. Okay, so you can use these payment details and you can make the payment and you can proceed further. Got it? Yes. Okay, so I'm done with my explanation. Okay, so if you have any questions, you can unmute yourself and you can ask here. Like Deepika, have you seen these questions from Nitish and Uttam?
No, not yet. Let me just go through it. 1 minute.
Please, yeah.
Actually, they are shared. I thought they are sharing numbers. Okay, Nitish, I'm working as an account receivable. How it will help me in SAP in future? Okay, so if you are already working for receivable, so you have idea about it, right? So definitely it is going to, when you are working on real-time project, you can tell about it. So it for company also it's a benefit, na, that you are getting. I mean, you have that experience, so you can show that experience, and then in future, of course, to get a job and also to understand it from client point of view, it will definitely going to help you out. Okay, because 4 years is very quite a good experience you have.
Ma'am,
Nitish. Yes, Nitish.
I'm Jay. Sorry.
Huh.
Nothing, ma'am. I'm I'm a BCom Honors ACC candidate, and
Mm-hmm.
I'm not from a computers background. And also, have done my MBA in finance and marketing too, where I'm
Okay.
unable to have basic knowledge even about the computers. So, is this course
Yeah. See, this need, of course, I mean, computer knowledge means we do not need any kind of a programming, first of all. Okay. So programming is not required. In such case, when we talk about the programming,
okay?
uh, we have ABAP as a different module, and for this we basically need whatever you have learned in your BCom, right? If you know journal entry, we post ledger, then we go for actually JV we pass, then that will be posted under your financial statement, P&L balance sheet, under which heading what you are getting, right? All that accounting knowledge you need, and how to access it through SAP, that is what we are going to tell you. So how to understand the requirement based on your accounting from the client, how to map that into SAP. So for that, you don't need a computer knowledge as such. So that software knowledge itself we are going to provide to you. And that is again based on your actual knowledge related to accounting that you are going to apply based on this SAP itself. So don't worry about it. Okay? You will come to know about it.
No, ma'am. The thing is, this is complete. You are saying real. I mean, product-based SAP will be including cloud, where we have to use AI in the.
No. This course is not cloud course.
No,
I
when
was telling about that information to about the other course. This course doesn't need anything AI and cloud.
okay. In future, I may work for any company. There it may be the product SAP. I
But
will
they
get
give
it.
you training for that. AI training means, see, it is not totally AI. Whatever knowledge you have. See, for example, if you are learning Tally, what you learn? How to post or how to process Tally as a software, right? Same way you are going to learn about it. If you are doing it in future also for the cloud, and your client is asking you, then they will train you for that. Okay, so that course you will go through, actually that is more easy to learn because it is a web link. Your web page, like URL is there, and on that URL whatever options you know from this. See, to go for a cloud training, if you have knowledge of this S4 HANA and Fiori, it will help you. I mean, if you go for cloud, they usually ask you that, are you know about the basics, how SAP work, all that, and then you go for a cloud work, because cloud is what it is, functionality. So it doesn't need direct knowledge that you should be aware of. Yeah, and all you need the knowledge of SAP as a system, basically how it work inside, and the accounting knowledge. So don't worry about it. Even if it is cloud, you can understand the training properly.
Because why I'm asking mainly about cloud and all, because I work for multiple companies, six companies in 1 year, and also I took one course regarding this 6 months, but unable to stay for the long time. This reason, that is the reason again I've taken feeling myself as a challenge, whether I am stable or mm, the
No,
company.
don't worry. I mean,
That's the
yeah, I
reason.
understand when you have done so many, so you get confused about it, like course or something. But if you learn SAP as a system, you have to focus on what you are doing currently. Don't think about cloud immediately right now. First, try to understand SAP as a system, currently what you have, whatever is available, and based on that knowledge, then of course, definitely the future will, if you are doing any kind of new technology, it will help you to understand. Definitely. Don't worry about it.
Okay.
Okay. And Nitesh, I hope your query is clear. Nitesh, and what is Uttam? Do I have to learn full SAP module? Only FI module? No, Uttam, you have to learn FI module, not all the modules. See, for all the modules, there are different consultants which are available, right? So we have different, as a team, we work for SAP project. So we have different team members, different, we have different team members which are there. I mean, for SD, there will be a different person. For FI, there will be different. So you will have different persons. Okay. So don't worry, you do not have to learn everything. You have to learn FI, and for FI you have to work. Okay. So I hope I have cleared Nitesh and Uttam your doubts. In the current AI-driven era, when tool look like AI-driven, Chat GPT and predictive analytic becoming common, how will SAP S4 HANA relevant and competitive? Can you explain how SAP is embedding AI within S4 HANA to adapt this change, and predictive analytic becoming common? How will S4 HANA remain? Yeah, again, I think I have already answered for this. Whose query is this? Raman.
Yes.
For SAP, when we talk about AI driven era, yes, it is AI driven era, but still every part has not been shifted to AI, right? So we are slowly developing the cloud related technology, not only in SAP, in all the softwares nowadays you are getting cloud. But when it goes to cloud or AI related particular part, we have different, what we call that as a kind of interface. I mean, you have different tools which cannot read with each other. So what we do, we try to develop it in such a way that they can read each other, and then this AI based technology help you to uh, communicate and then get it done in such a way that it become easy, which is supporting nowadays with the cloud technology and all. Not I mean, not that every part will be get resolved or will be get done by your AI. We as a consultant need to work on that particular technology to get it done for the users. So my role will be always there involved in development of this system. So you have to go through proper training. And AI technology, even though you do not have a knowledge related to AI, slowly SAP still has not that everything is shifted to AI. AI technology is going to be there forever, and daily it is developing because AI is a new era, right? So daily you will come across with different type of what we can say, new developments and new things. So you have to opt them step by step wherever you need it for the purpose of your project or training. Not that everything which is being developed in a market is applicable to your client. So based on your project requirement, slowly when you work year by year, you come across it like, okay, this technology you need, and you try to add it to your knowledge. Same way it is going to help you out in SAP as well. Okay.
Sure, ma'am. Thanks.
Yes, tell me. Sorry, who is talking? Is it Raman?
Oh, no, yeah, I said thank you. That's it. I understood.
Okay. Yeah, welcome. Yes. Hello, is anyone talking? I'm not able to hear you. Do you have any query?
Hello, Dipti.
Yes.
Uh, Major integration parts of what are we learned in this course?
For finance, when we comes for the integration, we have to integrate FI with CO, FI with MM, and FI with SD. Sales and distribution, materials management, and controlling. All we are going to cover.
I saw like a PMPP also.
No,
Those
that they
things.
are different module. Actually, see, this is FICO course, right? So when we talk about the
Integration.
integration for PP is related to advanced CO costing. So this is FI related costing we are covering. If you have to do that PPCO part, then you have to learn about MMSD and PP. I mean production, the material related part. You have to get knowledge about that, and then you can do the advanced PPCO. This is FICO course. For that, whatever finance related controlling is required, we are covering. If you want to go for see, every module is a different training. Correct. So controlling actually is also a different training, but we are including the finance related controlling part in this training, wherein we are integrating FICO, FISD, FIMM. So majorly related to finance. Same way you have controlling. When we talk about the controlling as an advanced module, we have different topic like product costing, COPA, which need a knowledge again for sales, material, and PP. So that part, then when you do the advanced controlling related part, there you can cover the part related to what we can say costing, which you are asking for, PP related setup, PM.
Okay.
Okay, yeah. Anyone, any doubt? I hope in chat also there are no queries, no? No? 1 minute, just let me check. Yeah, Raman, I have told. Uttam and Nitish said yes. Okay. Okay.
You will give practice system, right?
Yeah, practice system is available, but for that my team will let you know more detail.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, Deepati garu. Karthik will join within 2 minutes. Just give me a minute.
Can you talk a little bit louder? Sorry.
Okay, Karthik will join in 2 minutes. Please give me a minute, okay?
Yeah. I told them that my team will get back to you for that.
Like
No
Karthik
problem.
will give updates on that.
Yes.
Just wait for a while. Yeah.
Yes. See, related to the discount or related to system and all that, team can definitely tell you about those details. But if you have any specific related to FICO, you can ask meanwhile. They will update you. No worries. Anyone have any specific query related to FICO? Please let me know then.
Hi everyone, this is Karthik again. So yeah, we do provide the server access also. So with lesser cost itself. Okay, so we provide a 3 month server access for you. So where you can the training is 2 months for you. Even after completion of the training also, like 1 month you will be getting server access. You can use it and you can practice well. And if you want to extend your server access also by paying a small amount, you can extend it too.
Okay. Anyone have any specific query regarding SAP FICO or any question related to SAP? Okay.
By learning this course, how many years of experience can I can be get the knowledge?
See, this it is up to you. I mean, how much you are preparing, based on that you can show. A team can help you out of that. After completion of course, how much you practice, focus. Based on that, you can decide it later on.
Max you
See,
can
we are
try with 4
learning.
to 5 years also.
Yeah.
We won't recommend like more than that. Like a 4 to 5 years will be the max experience that you can showcase. If you showcase like more than 5 years, again the lead roles will be coming for you. So which we won't recommend for you that.
Okay.
Yeah. So still any questions from anyone, please? If you have any questions, you can unmute yourself and you can ask, or else like you can post in the chat box also, so that like we can help you with all your questions. I hope like everyone is clear with the information like what we have provided till now. Okay, thank you all for joining today's session. So whatever the questions you have, as I said, you can just like contact us here. I'm just like showing my screen, 1 second. Okay. Yeah. So whatever the questions you have, you can contact us on this number, and you can like you can just like contact us this number, and you can go ahead for that. Okay, so this is our YouTube channel. So before closing the session, I'm just like sharing the YouTube channel link again with you. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can get the complete updates here. Even today's session recording also you can get here. Okay, so if you have shared your name and WhatsApp number, then definitely you'll be getting a recording for the today's session. So if not, you can share now. You can share your name and WhatsApp number to get today's session recording and material. Thank you all. Thank you all for session. Have a great day. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.